Continuously variable transmissions, CVTs, offer a smooth driving experience, but improper handling can lead to significant issues. Ignoring regular maintenance is a common misstep that many drivers make. Without timely CVT fluid replacements, the internal components struggle, leading to overheating and premature wear. A simple fluid change may cost between $100 and $250, while neglecting maintenance could result in repairs costing thousands, as internal parts wear out prematurely. Choosing the wrong transmission fluid is another critical mistake. Generic fluids can cause severe damage, leading to slippage and overheating. Although flushing the system can cost $150 to $300, the expense of a full CVT replacement for such negligence could rise to an alarming $4,000 to $7,000. As such, only use fluids that meet the manufacturer's specifications. Towing beyond the vehicle's limits introduces additional stress on the transmission belt, and pulleys may wear down quickly under such strain, which can culminate in replacements costing $2,000 to $6,000 if excessive load is recurrent. Therefore, understanding the vehicle's towing limits is crucial for proactive maintenance. Another misstep occurs when drivers ride the brake and accelerator simultaneously. This habit generates excess heat and pressure in the transmission, hastening internal component wear. Repairs can cost a hefty $3,000 to $8,000, rendering this mistake exceptionally costly. Ignoring warning lights or sounds can be detrimental. Whining or slipping often signals underlying belt or bearing problems. Minor issues may be rectified for $500 to $2,000, however. Failing to address these could necessitate a full transmission replacement, costing up to $8,000. Frequent stop-and-go driving, especially in heavy traffic, exacerbates CVT wear. Overheating caused by this driving pattern can demand repairs starting at $2,000, and a full-fledged replacement may run over $6,000. Relying on engine braking during long descents can be counterproductive for CVTs. Constantly pressuring the belt system can manifest as costly repairs, with internal component replacements ranging from $3,000 to $6,000. Rapid acceleration from a dead stop further stresses the components, risking slippage. Replacement costs for damaged parts could excessively climb between $2,000 and $7,000. Shifting gears while the vehicle is in motion may lead to severe internal damage, costing anywhere from $2,500 to $6,000 in repairs. A final point to remember is to never drive with low transmission fluid levels, as doing so can cause overheating and damage the entire system, leading to costly repairs of up to $8,000. By steering clear of these missteps, owners can prolong the life of their CVTs and spare themselves significant financial burdens.